What's up, baby? Welcome back to SFN, where we be getting it in, baby, where we get them in pieces and we put them bitches together. So today, man, I'm coming to y'all with a quick video, man. I just want to motivate you, bro. This a new year, new shit, man. So, if you ain't flipped no whip all this fucking year, this year is the year to flip something, man. Like, what's stopping y'all? The shit ain't hard, like, you got, like how I always put this shit, I put it in 3 categories, man. Either you gonna be the person that's started from the bottom to rebuild the rips and make profit that way, or you gonna be the person that buy other cars off Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace that already run, you know what I'm saying? And you buy them for $1,500 or so, and you just sell them for $3,000. Like you do a little work to them or get a little touch up, a paint job or something done to them, and you sell them for a little more. Or you gonna be the investor in this car business that you get the cars that's ain't nothing wrong with it in perfect condition. You get it for like $4,500, and then you turn around and you sell it for like $65,000 or $7,000. You know what I'm saying? That's how I tell people. But if you ain't flipped no car this year, or you ain't got no money this year, this is the year to start getting your money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, a couple auction fees done went up. A lot of stuff been going on. But you got to put yourself in a position where you get this money. You know what I'm saying? Everything we do in the world, we do for a profit, bro. And everything you do gotta be worth doing. Most people scared to do things to get them to the next level. But it's easy to go buy something that ain't gonna do shit for you. It's easy to go buy that next pair of shoes. It's easy to go buy that PlayStation. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to go splurge on clothes. It's easy for all this shit. But it's hard for you to get into something that's gonna help you get to the next level. You scared to invest in something that's gonna help you get to the next level. I don't get it. It's easy to go get that condo that you can't afford and struggle on them bills and work 3-4 jobs. Then struggle getting your company together or struggle getting your side hustle together. I really don't get it, man. This year about positivity. And this year about stop bullshitting. Fuck them fake ass New Year's resolutions that you not gonna do. Don't even lie to yourself about that shit. Just try to do better than what you was already doing. Don't even lie to yourself about no New Year's resolution. Cause 9 times out of 10, that shit is not gonna happen. And that shit just some shit to make you feel like it's a new year and you supposed to be doing something new. If you ain't did shit, you know what I'm saying? You got to get your mindset right first. That's the first thing I see with this shit. You can tell a motherfucker how to go get $1 million today. If they mindset ain't there and they mindset ain't built for it, they ain't finna go get shit. That's just how this shit go. So first you gotta get your mindset built for it. Then you gotta build up your confidence with it. And then you go to other things like how to get the money and stuff, like, and building yourself up as a person, like your credit score or just investing and building yourself up. But like, if y'all like this video, if this some good motivation to y'all, mind, like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at SFNauto2. You know what I'm saying? And if you boys like this content and y'all want to see, like, me go deeper into different things, look at some of my other videos that I already did last year about how to get in the auction, how to make money with a side hustle. And it might help you put some money in your pocket, man. But until then, I'll see y'all on the next one, baby. This the beginning and it's only gonna get better, just like that.